Welcome to saitechinfo channel, my dear students. In this tutorial, let us learn how to write electronic configuration of inert gases. First of all, write down the elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. And its atomic number can be calculated by starting with 2 for helium. And the difference between helium and the neon is 8 because it has come across S block and P block. S block contains, S orbital contains 2 electrons, P orbital contains 6 electrons at the most. So 6 plus 2, 8 electrons. So we should account for 8 electrons when we go down to the next period. So helium, the next period is in the same group is neon. So 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. And similarly, it has come across the another period that is S block and P block. So 2 plus 6, 8. So 10 plus 8, that is 18. When we come to argon, so atomic number of argon is 18. So 18 plus 18, 36 for krypton because it has come across the D block elements. So in a periodic table, you have got S block at the left, P block at the right, D block at the center. So S block has 2 groups, P block has 6 groups, D block has 10 groups because the D orbital contains 10 electrons at the most. So that is why it has come across all these blocks. So 18 plus 18, 36. So 36 plus 18, 54, similar to krypton. So krypton to xenon, we have to add 18. So 36 plus 18, that is equal to 54. And 54 plus 32 is equal to 86. So why I have made this difference 32? Because S block contains 2, P block contains 6, D block contains 10, F block contains 14. So you have to add that 14 to 18. So 14 plus 18, 32. So xenon to radon, 54 plus 32, that is equal to 86. Do you understand? Now let us attempt the electronic configuration based on the previous inert gas. Okay, for instance, helium 1s2, and for neon you can write based on helium because we are already given the electronic configuration for helium as 1s2. So what you can do is 10 minus 2, 8. So you should account for only 8 electrons. So the remaining is 8, that is 2s2, 2p6. And similarly, that is 18 minus 10, 8. So you should account for 8 electrons. So it goes to 3s2, 3p6 starting with neon. And similarly 36 minus 18, that is 18. You should account for 18 electrons. So you have to include 3d10 after argon followed by 4s2 and 4p6. And similarly krypton, that is xenon, can be written based on krypton because krypton has the atomic number 36. So 54 minus 36, is it not? So that is equal to 18. Okay, so that 18 should be accounted here. So 10 plus 2 plus 6, is it not? So 4d10, 5s2, 5p6. And from xenon to radon, so xenon is 54, radon is 86. So the difference is 32. So we can make use of this 32 electrons by including 4 of 14, 5d10 followed by 6s2, 6p6. So in all these cases, they end with a p orbital, and that is why they are called, they belong to p block elements. And not only that, all of them has the octet gas configuration, octet configuration. So that is why it is inert gas and non-reactive gases or rare gases. So they are completely filled with 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Now shall we practice how to write down the electronic configuration. Please wait. Did you understand this electronic configuration? And the same technique can be adopted for writing the electronic configuration of any family of elements. Thank you for watching this video.